Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be doing a wig restoration video on just basically how I restore my wigs. And as you can see, this wig is a mess. Like, it is all matted, the lace was dirty, and the wig was just horrible. So today I'm just going to be showing you how I restore my wig. And also, this wig is 2 years old. So first I start off with a half a pot of water, and I submerge the wig into the pot of water. I do add like 2 or 3 tablespoons of coconut oil in that batter in the water as well. And then I let that boil for about maybe 45 minutes, or until it gets like a really nice boil. So here you see me using some tongs, and I'm just going to be submerging that wig around, and that's what I also use to get the wig out of the water. So I'm going to be using my Aussie, or however you pronounce it, shampoo and conditioner. So this is the wig in the sink, and I'm just going to squirt the shampoo on there and wash it like it's just regular hair, and I'm going to also condition it, and I leave the conditioner on for about 10 minutes, and then I rinse it off. So after shampooing and conditioning, I'm just going to dry the wig, and as you can already tell, there's a huge difference in between the hair. You can actually run your fingers through it, which I am very happy about. And I'm just going to let that air dry for a couple of hours, and then I am going to show you what it looks like, and after I brush it, of course. So this is what it looks like after I brushed it out and it was dry, and as you can tell, I am delighted with the look. So guys, if you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and stay tuned for more.